Chapter 3. The Northern Plains. Learning objectives. River basins. Living of the people. The Northern Plains are a stretch of large and fertile flat land located to the south of the Northern Himalayas. They are also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains. They extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Agriculture is the most common occupation here. These plains are thickly populated and a large number of people live in the villages, towns and cities in this region. To cater to their needs, there is a good network of roads and railways. These plains are 2400 km long and 150 to 300 km wide. River basins. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a river basin. Many rivers that originate from the Himalayas, such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra, flow through the northern plains. The Himalayan rivers are perennial rivers and have water throughout the year. As these rivers flow from the mountains, they carry with them broken rocks and silt. The fine silt which is deposited by the rivers is called alluvium. The northern plains can be divided into three river basins: the Ganga basin in the center, the Brahmaputra basin in the east, and the Satluj basin in the west. The Ganga basin. The Ganga is the most important river in the northern plains. The river originates from Gangotri in the Himalayas. The Ganga is joined by Bhagirathi, Mandakini, Alaknanda, Yamuna and many other rivers while it flows down the mountain. It enters the plains near Haridwar. The river Yamuna joins it at Prayagraj. This place is called Sangam. As the river flows towards east, many rivers such as the Gandak, Gomti, Ghagra and Kosi join it. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga basin is the most populated part of India and is home to millions of people. Many important cities like Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Ayodhya, Patna, Varanasi and Kolkata are found on its bank. Fact file. The Ganga is known as the Padma in Bangladesh. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers together form the largest delta in the world. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers together form the largest delta in the world. This area is known as Sundarbans. It is named after Sundari trees which grow here in large numbers. The Brahmaputra basin. This basin lies in Assam. The river Brahmaputra rises in Tibet in the east, where it is called the Sangpo. It flows through a narrow valley in Assam. Then it flows southwest towards the sea. It enters Bangladesh and joins with the branch of Ganga. There is a very heavy rainfall in this basin every year. It makes the river overflow its banks and cause heavy floods. But the silt, fertile soil produced by heavy flooding provides excellent soil for crops like jute and rice. Fact file. In the Brahmaputra basin, tea is grown on the hill slopes. This tea is famous throughout the world. The Satluj basin. It is the westernmost part of the plains. The Beas river is the main tributary of the Satluj. The two rivers flow in the southwest direction and join the Indus River in Pakistan. The major states in the Satluj basin are Punjab and Haryana. The climate of Satluj basin is extremely hot in summers and are very cold in winters. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the Satluj. It provides water for irrigation and also provides electricity to Punjab and Haryana. The major crops grown in this area are wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane. Some of the important cities of this region are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, Ambala and Amritsar. Living of the people. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura are the states located in this region. Punjab. The main rivers flowing through Punjab are Satluj, Bias and Ravi. They provide water for irrigation. The main crops grown are wheat, rice and sugarcane. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. The other big city is Amritsar. It is famous for the Golden Temple and Jallianwala Bagh. The main festivals celebrated here: Guru Purab, Holi, Diwali, Baisakhi and Lohri. The languages spoken here are Punjabi and Hindi. Bhangra and Gidda are the popular folk dances of Punjab. Haryana. Haryana lies in the south of Punjab. The Yamuna and the Satluj provides water for irrigation. Wheat, rice and sugarcane are the main crops. Farmers use tractors, tube wells and water pumps. Many people are engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. Hindi and Haryanvi are the main languages spoken in the state. Chandigarh is the capital. Delhi. Delhi, the capital of India, is bounded by Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. It is an ancient city and has many monuments like Qutub Minar, Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Delhi is the seat of the central government. People from every part of India live here. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state of India in terms of population. People here produce rice, maize, oilseeds, sugarcane, pulses, etc. Prayagraj, Varanasi and Mathura are the holy places. Kanpur, Meerut, Mathura, Agra, Ghaziabad, Noida are the important industrial cities of Uttar Pradesh. Urdu and Hindi are the main languages spoken here. Textiles, carpets, brasswork, handicrafts and sugar are some important industries here. Lucknow is its capital. Bihar. The next state, which is a part of the Great Plains, is Bihar. It is a fertile region. Rice and sugarcane are important crops grown here. Patna is the capital of Bihar. The folk art and crafts of Bihar are very popular. Tribal art is depicted through the famous Madhubani paintings. Nalanda in Bihar has the ruins of one of the oldest Buddhist educational institutions in India. Fact File: the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was born in Bihar. Bodh Gaya, where Gautam Buddha attained Nirvana, is in Bihar. Where Gautam Buddha attained Nirvana is in Bihar. It is an important pilgrim center. The people of Bihar speak Hindi. Festivals like Diwali, Dashera and Eid are celebrated by the people. Jharkhand. Jharkhand was earlier a part of Bihar. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Jharkhand is rich in minerals and forests. Many tribes live in this state. People celebrate Chhath Puja, Diwali, Eid, Buddha Purnima, Durga Puja, etc. West Bengal. West Bengal is in East India. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The climate is hot and humid. The main occupation is agriculture. People grow rice and jute. The people celebrate Durga Puja with great excitement. The main language is Bengali. The traditional dress of a Bengali woman is sari, which is usually worn in a distinctive style. Men wear dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. The state is home to innumerable tourist locations. The capital city Kolkata has monuments, museums, art galleries and temples. Belur Math, Botanical Gardens, Dakshineshwar Temple, Kali Temple and Victoria Memorial are a few places of interest. Darjeeling and Kalimpong are popular hill stations. Assam. This state lies in the valley of the Brahmaputra river. It receives heavy rainfall. Rice, tea and jute are the main crops grown here. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam. The main language spoken here is Assamese. Rice is the staple diet of the people. Bihu is the famous folk dance. Kaziranga Sanctuary in Assam is famous for its one-horned rhinoceroses. Tripura. This state is surrounded on three sides of Bangladesh. The major part of this state lies in the plains. Rice, jute and tea are its main crops. Handloom weaving is an important cottage industry. A large part of Tripura is covered with forests. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Points to remember. The northern plains are formed of three rivers, Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The soil of the northern plains is very fertile. Many people live in the northern plains region. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Assam are located here.